have a very strong interest in good skincare that is almost surgical in nature. And what I mean by that is to be very comprehensive, fairly aggressive, and incorporate the entire spectrum of skin to treat it from top down, bottom up, with different devices that are available. The latest addition to the Suria armamentarium of skincare is the Virtue RF. Virtue RF is the cutting edge next generation of radio frequency based microneedling, and they're delivered in combination. This device has a handpiece like this that has 36 precise gold tip, very sharp precision needles that delivers the exact depth that we set, and also the exact amount of energy, radio frequency energy, that we can deliver at each tip of those gold tips. And the reason for that is that the combination of the radio frequency, which causes tightness of skin, and the incision and the needles that are inserted also cause a healing response that causes skin tightening. And doing that together is very, very good. Another great feature about this is that it's very adaptable. We can turn off the radio frequency because in ethnic skin that is darker, sometimes we don't want to certainly cause any hyperpigmentation, which is darkening, or hypopigmentation, which is lightening, that can sometimes happen when you use energy devices. So we can turn it off. There's a lot of parameters that we can adjust appropriately for the type of patient. So we can treat this in Caucasian white skin, Latin skin, Indian skin, or even darker African American skin of any skin type. It's very, very good for that. I recommend that this be done from an early age, even from the 20s, because it's almost like a workout for your skin. For our bodies, we can work out. For food, we can control it. But for skin, the things that you could do really are some topical skin creams and maybe stay out of the sun and be lucky with genetics. Well, no longer. I think we can really intervene almost like on a regular sessions that you could do through the year, every quarter, every month, depending on the need. And if you do this from an early age, your skin's going to continue to look great as you age gracefully forever. And so that's what we're trying to get to. Another thing that I do now, or we do at the practice, is to combine the Virtue RF with the carbon dioxide laser resurfacing. And the two together really work even better. So if you can think of the Virtue RF as penetrating underneath the skin and treating the subsurface of the skin, this is going to treat the surface on top of the skin. So if you combine the two of them together, you even get a better response, and you can do it safely, you can do it at the same time, and you can get a magnified or an amplified response to this. And so we do offer packages where you combine the Virtue RF along with the Coolpeel, which is the CO2 laser resurfacing, together. And we do it over 3 sessions is the average package that I recommend for patients. You do it about every 6 to 8 weeks apart, and intervening time between, you just do some basic skincare stuff with topicals. It works really well for a lot of patients of all skin types. So this is the latest combination treatments that we offer. Of course, don't forget, we designed another level of skincare called the ART facial, called Advanced Regenerative Therapy Facial. So with that, you can even go another level, even beyond the both two of these. With that, you can harvest some plasma, harvest some platelets from your body, and you can actually infuse it into the skin after you do these treatments at the same session. That's taking it yet to a whole new level called regenerative skincare. And that together, I think, is where the science is at and where the treatments are that provides the latest and cutting edge combination skincare treatments that address every aspect of the skin from top to bottom. So we offer a spectrum of skincare services, all the way from simple microdermabrasions, chemical peels, to a very aggressive, almost surgical in nature skincare procedures, from the ART facial called Advanced Regenerative Therapy, or a combination of the Virtue RF with the Coolpeel. And without confusing you guys too much, we will recommend the treatment after we consult with you together, so we can decide what works for you and with your budget. So come visit us online. We can do virtual consultations, we can do it in person, but we have the best technology, best services available for top-notch skincare.